Welcome to the channel, friends. Hi, this is Amit from QuickBooks Learning for Beginners. Today we will be learning about how to create lists in QuickBooks. So we have in total, I'll show you the list here. These are the lists we have in the QuickBooks, which we can go and learn how to work on it. And here, this is the software we have, which is actually a desktop version of QuickBooks. And sample rock castle construction, this is a sample file which we have opened. This is not the original file we have, but this is a sample file. So how to start with in QuickBooks Enterprise, we have a list of chart of accounts. We would be learning about how we can go and create lists in chart of accounts, items list, then you have a customers list and the vendors list. uh, so let's go to the list here and click on chart of accounts. Under chart of accounts, we can see all these bank accounts are listed, and the categories we have it like in it's like savings accounts, we have checking accounts, petty cash, then fixed asset accounts, then we have liability accounts, long-term liability. These are some of the examples of accounts which we can create in QuickBooks. Then it's income account, cost of goods sold, and expense accounts we can create. And these are the common most important accounts which we use for our businesses. So how to create a new account in QuickBooks, which we can go and see in the lists option, is we go to accounts at the top and the bottom, or we can go and create a list from the home page as well. So we can click on new here. So new will show us the categories, what kind of category you want to open an account for. So here we will select bank account and click on continue. So another form comes up, which you can see at the top is account type is bank. And here we can go and select a different type of categories here if we want to change it. So we are selecting bank account here as in type, and let's say or we can change it as well. So American Express, let's say we have a bank where we have a savings account or checking account, we can enter the name here. Sub account, if we want to enter a sub account, we have to check it, and we can add a new sub account to that, or we have to categorize that like it's a checking account or savings account. Right now we are just uncheck that box so that it will go away from that. And description, we want to specify if it is a savings account. Let's say if it's a savings account. So these are the boxes where we can go and enter the details about bank account number, routing number of the account, tax, if we want to mention any tax information here, and opening balance, if we want to enter any opening balance. So ending balance will come up as in here of our statement, and that will become the fixed asset information, the journal entry in the ledger. So here we are just clicking on account number. Number is here, so let's say 1111, and clicking on save and close. It says, do you want to set up this account for online services? Here we are just skipping that because it will ask for the username, password, credentials, so that it will go and sync with the QuickBooks. We are saying no to that. As you can see, the account coming up as a bank here. The same goes with the other account. Let's say if we go and create an income account here, or expense account, let's say expense account, continue. Again, it's asking for the name of the account. Insurance, let's say 12. Then you can see the name we have specified. Health insurance as a description we are mentioning. Let me just make it clear. And then if you save and close, it will come up as an insurance account with a account number on it, and the category we have it is expense account. So which this account, which we can this expense account, we can use it for paying the insurance and creating the list. So list, under list here, the next item, next list is the item list which we are creating now. We go to list again, then items list. So these all are the sample items list we have it with the account number on it. So these are the service categories: inventory, non-inventory, other charge, subtotal, group, and these all are the sample uh, categories. So how we can go and create a new item is, again, we at the bottom we click on the drop down and click on new here, and when we click on new, here we can select the type of list, type of an item, where we can go and select that service. Let's say service, let's say labor. We are creating a labor service, and description, let's say wiring installation. Rate, if we would like to mention that, let's say rate, we will leave it as blank here as of now. For the sub item, if there is again a sub item you want to mention it, you can create the sub item here. Category uncategorized, or you can click on new here, or you can add a category to that. You can make this item inactive as well here. If we check mark that, it will go away from the items list. Let's go and click on OK on that. Oh, we have to specify the account here. Let's say cost of goods or expense, any expense, repair and maintenance count as an expense account, and click on OK. So once we have an uh, uh, OK there, you will see the list here come up with the service, and which is the labor, you can see at the very top, right? That's the wiring installation labor which we have selected here and which has come up. So here is the second list, how we can go and create it. If you want to edit that item, we can go right click on it, edit item, and under edit item, if we want to inactive that item, we can just check mark that box and click on OK. So you can see that it has gone away from the list. So if you want to make item inactive, you can do it from here as well, right? So this is how we go and create a new item, and we can go and remove that item as well. Third option is, we can go and create the vendor list. How we can do that is, we go to customers vendors profile, click on customers. Let's create a customer type list first. We click on customers, and there are other options as well. We can go to the customer center, and under customer center, these are the sample, you can see the list of the name of the list you have for all the customers, and that's the, if you want to create a new one, how we can do that is, there's a new option at the very top, click on new customer, and under new customer, let's say we have a name, Greg new. This is a new customer we are just creating. If you want to enter any opening balance for that, we can do that. That's 10,000 for this customer. Company name, again, we can put in as a same name as a sample, but you can change it here. Payment settings, this is the payment settings tab where you can enter the account number, payment terms for this customer, then email of the customer, then preferred method would be like how you can go and how a customer wants to pay you, through cash, check, American Express, or his own information, right? So let's say if customer wants to pay you through credit card or bank transfer, you just need to check mark that. You just need to check mark that, and you can enter the details of the customer. That will be information you can enter for this customer. You can do it later on as well when you edit the customer. And these are the sales tax settings. If customer pays you, or with the tax you want to enter, then non-tax as well. Then there is a option which says additional information, customer type, it's a commercial customer, or normal, or it's a residential, or you want to give it a new name to that, right? There's another tab is define fields. Like when you click on the define fields, you have an option here which you can uncheck it, or you can check it. If you, let's say contract, if you uncheck it, we can uncheck it and click on OK. Well, it's the custom field here, it's actually for the sales receipts, it's not allowing us to uncheck it. Let's see if this, yeah, this you can see uncheck it. So birthday, we have unchecked that, and when you click on OK, so birthday here tab has gone away from it. So here you can go and add or delete the new fields. You can customize this accordingly, right? Let me just cancel it and the customer job again would be the description of the job which you have given to the customer, and customer has paid you. Let's say click on OK. So when we click on OK, we will see Greg new as a new customer. You can see, and you can see that this is the customer which is an open balance of 10,000 which customer owes us, right? There's an already and it has created an invoice for this customer where customer if customer pays you, it will show up as a paid stamp and will go to the account receivable. So let me just go and close it here. The third fourth list would be the, you can see that you can use all these payroll items list, or these all are the, but common list we have it is the vendor list, which we can go from the vendor center, and then we can go to the new vendor at the very top. The same way we can create a vendor as well. It will not allow us the same vendor if we enter the same name here, so we have to change it to, let me copy it, paste it, and again the payment settings for this customer, account number, payment term if you want to specify that for this vendor, and again the tax settings. If he's eligible for 1099, you can check it and you can enter his tax ID here. Then account settings, the same way you can enter the expense account here for this, and move further. And here is the vendor type, what kind of vendor he's, let's say it's a subcontractor. You can select that and just click on, again the define fields at the right hand side bottom. You can see the same way you can add it or you can just delete it, right? Let me just go and cancel it here and click on OK. So you can see Greg 2 is a new vendor for us. That's the third one we have created. Let me just go and close it. So the last important one is the other names list. We go to the list at the top and click on other names list. This again is the important one. This is a kind of list or the names you can enter where you have given the services, not frequently, but yes, maybe once, and you want to enter the name here. At the bottom you can see and other names, just click on it and click on new. So when you click on new here, just enter the name as Alex, right? So let's go and enter and click on OK. You can fill up all the information here, general information about contact number, first name, last name, name and address, phone numbers, and click on OK. So you can see that the Alex name appears under the list of other name, and if you want to make this item make this as a new customer, or you can make this as an inactive, you can do that, or you can just edit the other name as well. If you want to re-enter the information here, you can do that. Here is a tab you can see, click on change type. If you want to change the customer's profile like type as in customer or vendor, and you want to move this customer from vendors list, or to the vendors list or customers list, or you can make it as an employee as well. So when you click on edit and you have a change type here, you can select vendor, customer, employee, or other. Right now it's under other. Let's say if you want to create it as a vendor, just select the vendor, click on OK, and cannot be done. Do you want to continue? Yes. So it has moved away from others list to the vendors list, and under vendors, when you click on vendor center, that will appear here. You can see that this is the Alex, the name has appeared under vendor center. So these all are the common list we have learned today. One is the chart of accounts, then items list, vendors list, customers list, and also the other names list. That's how we have learned today. And just to end this video, please do subscribe and like the video so that you will be able to see more videos relates to QuickBooks. Sorry about that. And also there would be educational videos coming up relates to the accounting and how you can go and work in the QuickBooks. There's an offer going on for QuickBooks Online, or if you want to switch from desktop to QuickBooks Online, you will be getting a 30% discount for the next 6 months, plus 1 month extra free for the customer, and that would be the subscription based monthly or yearly, right? That's fine. That's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, listening, and you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.